Dear students, welcome to the today's chemistry class. We are discussing alkaline earth metals. In our previous class, we discussed the chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. So that is group 2 elements. So in this class, let us discuss general characteristics. General characteristics. General characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. General characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. Just like alkali metals, alkaline earth metals also forms some compounds like oxides and hydroxides. And second one, halides, and third one, oxoacids. So similar to the alkali metals, similar to the group 1 metals, group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals also forms oxides and hydroxides, halides and oxoacids. Once again, oxoacids are further divided into carbonates, sulfates and nitrates. So alkaline earth metals forms nitrates, carbonates and sulfates, which are called as oxoacids. So these are the general characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. Let us discuss one by one in details. Oxides and hydroxides. Oxides and hydroxides. Of group 2 elements. See here, any alkaline earth metal, like M is nothing but alkaline earth metal, combines with oxygen to form metal oxide of the formula MO. MO is nothing but metal oxide. So on combustion, alkaline earth metals on combustion forms metal oxides of the formula MO. So here M is nothing but alkaline earth metal. M is nothing but alkaline earth metal. Beryllium, powdered beryllium on combustion forms beryllium oxide. Magnesium on heating forms magnesium oxide. Calcium, barium and strontium on combustion readily forms the metal oxides. And here beryllium oxide is covalent in nature. And beryllium oxide is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric in nature. nothing but both basic and acidic So that means beryllium oxide is covalent in nature. So it means beryllium shows some exceptions. In addition to the ionic character, metal oxides means ionic character should be there. Metal oxides ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ionic character ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. But beryllium oxide ಅಲ್ಲಿ somewhat covalent character is also present. Covalent character ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ionic character ಜೊತೆಗೆ. And also beryllium oxide is called as amphoteric oxide. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಎರಡು ತರನೂ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ amphoteric in nature, amphoteric oxide. And once again these metal oxides like magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, strontium oxide, barium oxide, these are called as basic oxides, and predominantly ionic oxides. Ionic character is present in magnesium oxide, barium oxide, calcium oxide and strontium oxide. But beryllium oxide is covalent and amphoteric, but they are basic oxides. Other alkaline earth metal oxides are basic in nature and once again ionic oxides. And these oxides, metal oxides, are dropped into water, they are sparingly soluble to form hydroxides, MOH twice. So these are MO, that is oxides of alkaline earth metals. When dropped into water, they form hydroxide. So it is metal hydroxide. Here M is nothing but any alkaline earth metals. These oxides and hydroxides of alkaline earth metals are less soluble in water. So hydroxides, say magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide and strontium hydroxides are less soluble in water. They are less soluble in water. And once again, enthalpy of formation of oxides and hydroxides. Enthalpy of formation of oxides and hydroxides is quite very large when compared to the alkali metals. Alkali metals ge compare ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ alkaline earth metals, metal oxides and hydroxides formation ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ heat liberated is more. ಅಂದ್ರೆ enthalpy of formation of alkaline earth metal oxides and alkaline earth metal hydroxides is quite very large when compared to the alkali metals. Next, the second important characteristic property of compounds of alkaline earth metals is halides. See, once again, alkaline earth metals combines with halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine to form metal halides of the formula MX2. So M plus X2 to form MX2, metal halides. means they have a capacity to hold the water molecules. Say you take magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride hydrated as MgCl28H2O. So it is, say take, so they are hydrated. Means hydration enthalpy is more, and hydrating capacity of the halides of alkaline earth metals down the group decreases. Andre nodi iga magnesium chloride MgCl2 into 8H2O. Magnesium chloride octahydrate anta karithivi. Next CaCl2 into 6H2O. Next SrCl2 into 6H2O. Barium BaCl2 into 2H2O. As size of the metal ion, as the size of the cation increases down the group, the hydration enthalpy decreases. And already hydration enthalpy decrease means hydration enthalpy discuss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ down the group from beryllium to the barium size of the metal ion ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Size of the metal ion ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ hydration enthalpy ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Water holding capacity decreases. Look at these examples. Magnesium chloride 8H2O, MgCl2 8H2O. But look at this BaCl2 example. Barium chloride into 2H2O. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ 2+ ಇಂದ Ba2+ ಗೆ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ halides, all metal halides of alkaline earth metals are predominantly ionic in nature. Predominantly ionic in nature. ಅಂದ್ರೆ magnesium chloride, barium chloride, calcium chloride, strontium chloride, ಎಲ್ಲ strontium iodide, ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ halides of alkaline earth metals are ionic in nature predominantly. But beryllium chloride and magnesium chloride, in addition to ionic character, they have covalent character also. They form covalent compounds, and especially beryllium chloride has polymeric structure. BeCl2 has polymeric structure. And in gaseous state, in vapor state, it forms, beryllium chloride forms bridged chloride bonds. BeCl2 in vapor phase forms bridged chloride bonds like Be, Cl, Be, So like this, Bridged chloride bonds. Bridged chloride bond structure is formed in the case of beryllium chloride because of smaller size of helium atom. Smaller size of beryllium atom. Such type of bridged chloride bonds is not possible in barium chloride or calcium chloride or strontium chloride. Once again, the halide salts of the alkaline earth metals are less soluble in water than the halide salts of alkali metals because of smaller size. Because of smaller size of alkaline earth metals. And third compound of alkaline earth metals is oxoacids. Oxoacids. First oxoacid is carbonates. See here. Carbonates, beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate. See here, BeCO3, magnesium carbonate, MgCO3, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, SrCO3 and BaCO3, barium carbonate. These are the carbonates of alkaline earth metals. And so these carbonates are thermally stable. Andre they are thermally stable and less soluble in water, or we can call it as insoluble in water. Means down the group from beryllium carbonate to the barium carbonate, thermal stability increases. The stability of carbonates increases and they are insoluble in water. Say take a piece of chalk. Its composition is calcium carbonate. ಇದನ್ನು calcium carbonate ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ chalk powder get settled down at the bottom of the water. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ insoluble in water. And third one is, so they are insoluble in water, thermally stable. And once again, decomposes on heating. To give metal oxide with the liberation of carbon dioxide. Andre down the group stability increases. Say BeCO3, MgCO3, CaCO3, SrCO3, BaCO3 ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ stability orders. Stability increases as BeCO3 less than MgCO3 less than SrCO3 less than BaCO3, barium carbonate. Stability increases from beryllium carbonate to the barium carbonate, and solubility decreases. Solubility decreases down the group. Andre so these metal carbonates solubility decreases down the group from beryllium carbonate to the barium carbonate, and are usually these metal carbonates on heating, they releases carbon dioxide with the formation of metal oxide. Okay, next B. Sulfates. Alkaline earth metals forms sulfates. They are ionic in nature. Ionic compounds. They are ionic compounds. Sulfates. For example, the beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, SO4, strontium sulfate, barium sulfate. Solubility of these sulfates decreases down the group. Solubility of this sulfate decreases down the group from beryllium sulfate to barium sulfate. And once again, these sulfates exist as hydrated sulfates. They form hydrated sulfates. They form hydrated sulfates. Example, beryllium sulfate, BeSO4 into 4H2O, and MgSO4 into 7H2O, and calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate into 6H2O. Means they form the hydrated sulfates. Water holding capacity they have. And once again, solubility of these salts decreases and stability increases. Stability increases from beryllium sulfate to the barium sulfate. Down the group, so the stability increases. And see, nitrates. See, once again, alkaline earth metals forms nitrates when their metal salts reacts with nitric acid. And once again, metal nitrates, MnO3 twice, on heating, that decomposes to metal oxide with the release of nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So that means, when metal nitrates on heating, they decomposes to form metal oxide with the releasing of nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So like this, alkaline earth metals have the characteristic properties for the compounds.